We are mid-May and a lot going on in the economy this week. We'll start out on Tuesday with Consumer Price Index, the CPI. That is the first of the big inflation reports that come out this month. And then Wednesday is a pretty light day, no news there. But Thursday, we get the Producer Price Index, which is the wholesale index for manufacturers. We also will have the big retail sales report coming out on Thursday, in addition to initial and continuing jobless claims. Friday, we get the monthly University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index report. We also end the week with a couple National Association of Home Builder reports to include starts and permits. So really big week, and that doesn't even include what's going on in the geopolitical circle. You have Russia-Ukraine possible meeting. You have Gaza, implications of Hamas releasing the U.S. hostage there. And then we also have the ongoing China and U.S. trade talks. So a lot of news. There could be several other trade deals that come out this week. So a lot of things. And I will tell you, each one of them has the possibility of moving the market. So let's see where rates are. Well, rates started the week at 6.3%, and they were really more or less right at 6.3% all week. Then on Friday, they came down a little bit to 6.25. So really not a lot of movement. Most of the movement, though, will happen this week. If we get a good inflation report on Tuesday, you can expect to see interest rates go down. If, as some fear, we see inflation start to go up, you'll see interest rates go up as well. That's about all I have for you guys. Have a great week, and happy Aloha Monday.